I'm Renee Graziano from Mob Wives, and you're watching hiphopwired.com. I worked for my girlfriend Tiffany Hasborn, who is the stylist, so I assisted her. And the crazy stories that I do have, I will never tell. That was a short-lived career. It was a lot of fun. I came in working with the best when the industry was booming. I think the first magazine cover I worked on, which was Entertainment Weekly, was 50 and Jay-Z, and it doesn't get any better than that. So for me, I'm good. I climbed the ladder and I'm on to my next. I am gonna take season 5 into consideration, but right now I'm stepping away from everyone and all the bullshit and all the drama, and I'm gonna work on me. And right now I'm the most important person in my life, so I have to focus on that and get right.